Hey everyone, good evening. It's Scott at Scott Trades on X with StockMarketMentor.com and your chart of the day. Want to follow up on DELL. On Tuesday night, I mentioned watching for the Dellicopter to take off, and it tried to do it on Wednesday, had a bit of a whippy session. The high was 449.45. The close was 431.97, and so certainly closed off of the highs, but we saw some nice follow through today. And I want to point out that the close is what matters. Anytime you're buying a stock, especially in a choppy market like we seem to be in right now, you can't expect a stock to break out typically if the market isn't going along with it, especially on the Qs there. And so it's hard. You're asking a lot of a stock to break out when the market isn't breaking out or near the highs. And so we did get a bit of a whippy session here on DELL, but we had some nice follow through today and a technical higher low. And so if you are riding the Dellicopter, I would definitely recommend considering putting a stop in and around 433. That way, if you did buy this, at least you're protecting yourself if we do see some more market volatility and a potential breakdown here in the stock. Now, if you are holding the stock and tomorrow is a good day in the market, then I would certainly watch for the stock to test the high from June the 1st in and around 469. And consider putting an alert for an ad in and around 469. If you get a move through and a close above on DELL, I think you could add to your position and then move a stop up to break even and see if this will give you a nice trend trade. So that's just one of many things we're watching right now over at StockMarketMentor.com. I hope that was helpful. My name is Scott McGregor at Scott Trades on X. I'll see you next time.